So, we are sharing higher knowledge and wisdom. So, itong Age of Aquarius, it is all about the power of your mind. The power of your mind. So, we are upgrading our mind. So, when it comes to external world, ano yung ginagawa nila sa external world, di ba? Ina-upgrade nila yung mga computer, yung mga technology. When the truth is, you are the true technology. Your brain is a supercomputer, ng feminine and masculine energy, na which is connected rin sa yin and yang. Yung ating IQ, na which is yung IQ mo, IQ is, it is operating the left side of your brain hemisphere, and your EQ, that is your emotional quotient intelligence. Yung center, your center brain, that is your SQ, spiritual quotient. SQI, spiritual quotient intelligence. Kaya when it comes to chakra, nandito sa brain center mo yung chakra mo, kasi nga ito yung spiritual antenna mo. Pero kapag nag-raise ka ng frequency, hindi lang dito sa antenna yung sagap mo, kundi itong buong cells na katawan mo. So, nakakasagap pa ng mga information. So, it works in your toroidal field, or your tinatawag na God armor, na once na di ba makita natin yung planet natin,